Here is how to upload a video to Google Drive and share it with others. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive on your PC. So just come to your browser and search for drive.google.com. After that, you reach this page if you're logged into your Google account, or else just sign in with your Google account. Once you're here, just click on My Drive, that's here, and then click on New. Over here, click on File Upload. This will open the File Explorer, and from here, select the video which you'll want to share. So I'll select this and click on Open. As you can see, it's getting uploaded right now, and it's done. So now just locate the video by scrolling down, and you can see the video is over here. So now just click on it and click on this icon that's over here. This is to share. And we have two methods over here. So first, we can just enter the email ID and share it with them directly. So you can just type it in over here. After that, you can select the role. So currently it's editor, but you can change it to viewer or commenter. Then you can decide if you want to notify the person and if you want to send a message. And then click on send to send it. So this was the first method. And now for the second way, again click on the video and click on the share icon, which is here. Then under general access, currently you can see it's restricted. So just click on this and change it to anyone with the link. Then again, decide the role. So if you click on this, you can select one of these options. And the last thing to do is copy the link. And now it's done. So all you have to do is share this link with someone, and when they click on it, they'll be able to see the video. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to clear your storage in Google Drive, check out this video. Goodbye.